Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral problem, right? So for that I'm going to use this integral property fx dx equals 1 over 2 minus a to a fx plus f minus x dx. Okay, so I will add this proof into the description for this video, okay, so you can watch that later. So let's use this integral property. For that I need to find what is fx. So okay, so I'm going to take fx is 1 plus x square over 1 plus 2x. So let's find out what is f minus x, which is 1 plus minus x square over 1 plus 2 minus x, which is 1 plus x square over 1 plus 1 over 2x equals 1 plus x square times 2x over 2x plus 1, which is 1 plus 2x. Now let's find what is fx plus f minus x is. It is 1 plus x square over 1 plus 2x plus 1 plus x square over 1 plus 2x times 2x. I can write this as 1 plus x square over 1 plus 2x. I'm going to take this part and this part out from there. Then I can get 1 plus 2x. Now 1 plus 2x cancel out, which is 1 x plus f minus x equals to 1 plus x square. So by using the theorem, minus 2 to 2, fx is 1. Let's say it is fx, right? fx is 1 plus x square over 1 plus 2x, which is, this is the fx, right? Equals to 1 over 2 minus 2 to 2 fx plus f minus x dx. Now I have found what is fx plus f minus x is. It is 1 plus x square dx. Now I can integrate this simply, right? 1 over 2 x plus x square x cube over 3, limits are from minus 2 to 2, 1 over 2 2 minus minus 2 plus 1 over 3 2 minus minus 2 cube, sorry, 2 cube minus minus 2 cube equals to 1 over 2 times 2 times 2 plus 1 over 3 2 cube times 2 to 2 cancels out, so 8 over 3 plus 2, which is 6 times 6 plus 8 is 6 plus 8 is what? 6 plus 8 is 14, right? 14 over 3. The answer is 14 over 3, right? Let me check. Yeah, the answer is 14 over 3. So I hope you guys understood how I solve this one, right? So if you guys have any questions, please comment below. And also I have proved this in later in the previous video, so I will add the link to the description of this video also, okay? So if you have questions, please comment below. Thank you for watching.